Alex and Maddie loved each other, but they often fought over small things. One day, Alex left the cap of the toothpaste, and Maddie exploded in anger. You always do this. You are so careless, she shouted. Alex got defensive and yelled back, I am not careless. You are just too picky. This kind of fighting happened often. They would argue over whose turn it was to do the dishes, who left the lights on, or who forgot to buy milk. Their fight would get loud and hurtful, leaving them both feeling angry and sad. One day, after a particularly bad fight, Alex and Maddie realized they needed to change. They did not want their relationship to be filled with anger and hurtful words. They wanted to love and support each other, not tear each other down. They started by talking about their anger. They that they were both stressed and overwhelmed. Alex started going for walk when he felt angry, while Maddie practiced deep breathing exercises. They also started communicating better using I statement instead of you statement that blamed the other person. For example, instead of saying you always leave the dishes for me, Maddie would say I feel frustrated when I see dirty dishes. Can we work together to clean them? This helped them avoid blaming each other and focus on finding solutions. They also learned to listen to each other and understand each other's perspectives. With time, Alex and Maddie fight became fewer and farther between. They learned to laugh at the little things and support each other through the tough times. They realized that their love was stronger than their anger and that they could overcome anything as long as they worked together.